AI tools are designed to make your life easy, especially when it comes to video production. And today we are going to look at a new tool called FlexClip. Now, the first thing you're going to do is head over to flexclip.com. Link will be in the description. When you go over, you'll see that there are a few AI features. To begin with, the background remover. So you can do some quick background removing to your photographs. There's also an AI auto subtitle generator, adding subtitles to your videos. And finally, let's start off by looking at the pricing of this product. So you'll see that the free version has limitations, but also not too bad. You have a few credits that you can use per month. Not a lot, but again, at the cost of nothing, it's not bad. Your medium tier account is going to give you a lot more functionality, which is $10 a month. So it's not going to break the bank, and it has some use to it. So let's have a look at the platform itself and start by rendering a project. So we're going to head over and create a video. You'll see here that we have templates to choose from. We have media that we can either upload or gain access to. There's various text designs that we can use for intros and outros. Again, the subtitle generator is over here. Then we have video footage that we can use, stock footage. We have photographs. There's music as well. Elements, overlays. So a whole lot of functions that we can use, but right now we are more interested in at the bottom here where it says tools. So these are the AI tools that we have that we're going to be playing around with. And we'll start off by looking at the AI image generator. Let's see the quality of the AI image generator. So I'm going to put in a prompt here to say generate a picture of Einstein wearing a Hawaiian shirt. And I'm going to choose a style. And it's going to generate the photo. And there we go. It's not exactly Albert Einstein, but I think that could have been my fault because I wasn't clear with the prompt. So I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to elaborate and be more specific in terms of that. So Albert Einstein. Let's see what image it generates now. Okay, so that's a picture of Albert Einstein, definitely, and a lot better, which is great. The features aren't very clear, but this we can see is definitely Albert Einstein. Now we're going to head over to our AI video script tool, and I'm going to ask it to create a story about Albert Einstein teaching a group of kids about like learning being a personal journey, right? Cool thing is if you don't know what to write the script about, you're going to go and click on other examples, and it's going to give you prompts that you can use. Right now though, I'm going to stick with our one, and I'm going to make it a medium length prompt or medium length script. I'm going to say generate. And what I really like about this is, look at that. It is a script structure. So it has a title, it has a direction, it has a setting. It is clearly differentiating between who is speaking. So this AI script generator is actually very good. Very, very good. Now, after I've gone through it, I can then have the option of using the AI to video function, so it can actually turn this into a video. So let's go ahead, click on that, and see exactly what it generates. Now the cool thing about it is we have two options here. We have the AI creation mode and the excerpt mode. The excerpt mode would be great for using blog posts if you want to turn a blog post into a video, so an article into a video. What we're going to use for our purpose right now is the AI creation mode. So we're going to generate that. And after we've generated it, we're going to export it. And let's see what it created there. overall, it didn't quite get the gist of the educational theme. It definitely threw in some photos there and some videos, but you know, these things take time to get, so we'll need to do some work on that piece over there. Let's have a look at some of the other functions in terms of the AI tool. So we've got the text to speech. Over here, you'll see that there are various voices to choose from, various languages. Even in English, there's various dialects as well that we can play around with, right? So we can have a look at all the different dialects. And we can also, we can hear how each of them sounds. What we're going to do is we're going to add in our script. And we're going to preview it. See if we like that. If we're not happy with it, we can always change it. What I do like about some of these features is that if you find a voice that allows it, you can change the voice style. So it can seem like it's angry, it can seem like it's sad, it can seem friendly. And I think for the purpose of what we're trying to create here, we're going to make sure that it is actually a friendly voice that we're using. So let's go ahead and generate that.
The monkey stood in front of a diverse group of animals, ranging from a wise owl to a hyperactive squirrel. "Good morning, my fellow classmates," the monkey said.
Okay, pretty good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to go from that function to our text to video function. We're going to take that script, plug it in here, and see what it creates. This is a lot better. Definitely a lot more in line with the keeping of the story, which is fantastic. So not bad, not a bad result. It will take some polishing up, especially at the end with some of the images, but that's okay. Next thing I'd like to do is see how can we overlay the visual, maybe take the captions out and put in the voiceover that we created. Now, the problem that we have here is that as we add our voiceover in, it's not going to automatically sync with the scenes. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to play around with this a bit, play around with the volume. These are settings that you are personally going to have to change. But if we go ahead and we change those things and maybe even take out our supporting captions, our subtitles there on the pages, let's see exactly what it creates now.
The monkey stood in front of a diverse group of animals, ranging from a wise owl to a hyperactive squirrel. "Good morning, my fellow classmates," the monkey said. "Today, we shall explore the wonders of learning together under this wise old tree." The animals gathered around, eager and excited. "We all learn differently," the monkey continued. "Just like our appearances and abilities. And that's absolutely okay. It's how we embrace these differences that makes us truly unique and special." The owl raised a wing. "In my case, I gather knowledge through observation and reflection," it said. "Like a curious bookworm." The squirrel jumped around. "And I learn best when I'm on the move," it said. "I absorb information while scurrying through the trees, gathering acorns along the way."
Okay, so there you go. Not a bad tool. Definitely some polishing that it'll need to get done. It's not a tool that will do everything for you. You're still going to have to be actively involved in the editing process. But as a starting point, a simple interface, a pretty accessible amount per month, that is FlexClip. And as always, if you've enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe for more content just like this.